Hey everyone, how's it going? So before this video gets started, if you want to save money on gas, if you're still paying full price for gas and you feel like you're still spending too much money on gas, there's a way to get 15 cents off per gallon if you use my code and link in the description down below for an app called Get Upside. Again, if you use my special promo code, you'll get 15 cents off per gallon. All of my friends use it, all of us use it. It's a new app. And I honestly can't believe that more people aren't using it. So if you haven't started yet using it, or at least try it out once and get 15 cents off per gallon. And then for life, you'll get discounts on your gas. And if you can refer a couple of your friends to use your code and link too, you can get up to 99 cents off per gallon, even more. It's crazy. You'll never have to pay full price for gas again. Use the link in the description down below for Get Upside. All right, now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan and thank you so much for coming by. So in today's video, I'm gonna be talking about why Uber is currently, well, there's a lot going on with my Uber driver account. I'm just gonna explain to you why they're currently not letting me drive for them. Before I get into that, I just wanna really urge you, if you have not yet downloaded Get Upside, I know I've been plugging it a lot recently, but seriously, if you're still paying full price for gas, I'm sorry, but you're getting ripped off. Like, you know those people who are like, oh yeah, I save tons of money on gas. I fill up at Costco. Maybe you don't have a Costco card. Use Get Upside. You'll save more money than those people who get the Costco discount. So use my link and code and you can start. It's ridiculous. Like, it's honestly stupid how much money you'll save on gas. But anyways, yeah, use the link down below. Now let me sync up my phone here. I'm gonna talk to you, walk you through what exactly is going on with my Uber account so we can all get this together. So this is an email that I got, so I'm gonna click on my email in 3, 2, 1, click. So here, I got this email, what was it? I got this email yesterday. Reminder, your vehicle inspection has expired. Please add your new vehicle inspection. Hi Dylan, friendly reminder that your vehicle inspection for the Ford Escape with a license plate number blank has expired. Please add an updated copy to your account. So, what happens when you go to click the update document? Are Uber hubs open yet? I don't think they are. Let me know if they are. So anyways, go into my Uber app here and let's see what happens, right? Because, okay, so let's see if I can go to my account, documents. So I click on my documents, right? And first of all, I need a background check too. Okay, it's time to remove. Okay, I guess I gotta do a background check too. I've been driven for Uber in a while because of the coronavirus. I stopped driving. My insurance is expired and my vehicle inspection is expired as well. Everything else, I have my LAX placard, I think, and my registration's fine. So, but yeah, so what I went ahead and did was I went in my Facebook group. I get a lot of information in my Facebook group. So, sorry, I was looking at another post on there. Pretty interesting. There's a lot of interesting stuff in here. I said, are the Uber and Lyft hubs open yet? I did that 25 minutes ago. Patrick Butts says no. But I did upload this document as well. So this was, you know, saying that my inspection was expired. I said, does anybody know where I can get an inspection right now? Are the hubs open again? So if you're in this similar spot where you need an inspection, good luck. Someone said try Pep Boys, and then another said Rideshare's Mechanic. Google it. You can do an inspection through them. Super easy. They'll FaceTime you. Rideshare Mechanic. So I mean, I haven't talked to them. Maybe I can reach out to them, see if I can get you guys a deal. Video vehicle inspections for Uber and Lyft. So yeah, you can schedule an inspection. The average inspection takes only 15 minutes. You can do it from your driveway. No risk. Need it now? extended hours, live support. I don't know how much it costs, but honestly, this might be a decent, the website's ridesharemechanic.com. You guys can look into it. I'll try to reach out to them, see if I can get them a deal, because I know a lot of people, including myself, need to get an inspection, and with the Uber and Lyft hubs closed, this might be our best bet. But anyways, that's the update with my account. I'm gonna try to get it fixed and start driving again within the next couple of weeks. Probably, yeah, I'll keep you guys updated, but I wanna start driving at least by the end of the month. If not sooner, as soon as I can get this stuff figured out. So anyways, thank you all for watching. That's my update. Use the Get Upside link down below to get discounts on gas, 15 cents off per gallon when you fill up gas. I know it's a lot of money. If you're filling up 20 gallons, that's what, $3.50? And then you can just get discounts every single time you fill up in the future. You're saving a lot of money. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day, guys. Bye.